Hey my homeowners, this is Josh Sternberg coming at you from sunny Southern California. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Chapter 7 business bankruptcies. Let's first step back and understand Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is designed for a liquidation bankruptcy. So what you're doing is you want to wipe out all of your creditors, and then you want to liquidate all of your assets that are not protected. From a personal standpoint, if a person was filing bankruptcy, Chapter 7, they would want to wipe out, let's say, all their credit card debt, but they would want to keep their home, their car, their clothing, some money in the bank. So you wipe out the debt and you want to hold on to some assets. Chapter 7 business bankruptcy is similar, but the big question, do you have any assets in the business, and do you want to keep the business open? If you want to keep the business open, you might want to consider a different chapter of bankruptcy. Chapter 11 or subchapter 5 are the most common because these bankruptcies allow you to reorganize your debt and continue working with the company. A Chapter 7 is really designed to dissolve the corporation and liquidate it. So Chapter 7 bankruptcies for businesses can work really well if you have a lot of creditors because it's very messy. And if you just file bankruptcy on the business, it gives everybody notification, it wipes everybody out. And Chapter 7 bankruptcy would be good if there's some assets, because you can turn the assets over to the Chapter 7 trustee, and then the Chapter 7 trustee will deal with those assets. So instead of you having to fight hundreds of thousands of dollars in creditors, or instead of you having to determine what's the right thing to do with my final assets, right? Let's say the business has a liquor license and the liquor license is worth $100,000. If you have $1 million in creditors, what do I do with that $100,000? So it can get relatively complex. Really, in a Chapter 7 business bankruptcy, consider 2 or 3 things. 1, do I want to keep my business open? 2, how many creditors do I have of the business? And 3, do I have any assets of the business that can be liquidated? If you're answering yes to question 2 and 3 about liabilities, debts, and assets, Chapter 7 business bankruptcy might be good for you. And if you want to close the business, it's typically good for you as well. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. Please like and subscribe. We're here for you. You can also find us online at www.sternberglawgroup.com. My name is Joshua Sternberg. Thank you.